guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you block someone on Instagram. But before that, remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, you have to open the Instagram. And now you have to find the person which is ignoring you. At the bottom of the page, you can click on the search icon and you can write their name here. And after that, you find the person or the page that you don't like. You go to their page, and at the top of the page you click on the three-point icon, and now you click on block. After that, you click on block again and you are done. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!